welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today I'm going to be showing you my Shop Missy Holy Grails, stuff that I am obsessed with, and everything on Shop Missy is $1, so it's going to be extremely inexpensive. I used a bunch of the products on my face today so you guys can see what they look like in action, and some of the products I have done dedicated videos for. So I love Shop Missy. They kill it for the price and the quality. But the only thing that sucks about Shop Missy, if you don't have a store near you, is that the shipping does take a long time, especially right now during this quarantine time. So I figured I'd show you my Holy Grail so that you can pick some of this stuff up, and so you guys don't have to make multiple orders and stuff like that. That's what we're gonna do today. Super excited because I love Shop Missy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you guys are notified to my future uploads. And let's jump right into the video. So we're gonna start with the lips, just because I need to put a gloss on because this is looking a little too gray. This is their AOA Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's a really nice formula. It's not super drying, and it's kiss proof, but it is, this color for whatever reason is very gray. This is Fleek. And that's what it looks like in the bottle, and on my lips it's just a little bit different. I do have a liner on, that could be why, but I really like this formula. I love the color. I think it's really nice. It smells so good. It smells like candy. The color is really nice, and it's not super drying, so these are awesome. But I'm gonna pop on a gloss just because it's looking a little too gray because of the liner I use, but these are awesome. They have a bunch of different colors. I'm getting back into matte liquid lipstick, so I'm really enjoying this. It's been awesome. It's a lot better for sure. Okay, next is, I'm gonna talk about some brow products. So this is the AOA Studio Go Brow Fiber Gel. If you're really into like a dry tinted brow mascara, this one definitely is very dry, which can be nice to like kind of fluff the brows up if you're really into that fluffy look without getting it everywhere, and it's only $1. So that's what this fully looks like. And I love this product. It's really, really good. Next is the AOA Studio Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade. This stuff is awesome. It's $1, but I love this stuff. It's really nice. I did fill my brows in with this, and I love it. It's so cheap and really, really creamy. So that is a definite yes for me. If you're gonna try something from AOA Studio, you definitely have to try their pomade. All this stuff is from Shop Missy's own brand. I didn't mention that in the beginning. They have a bunch of different brands on their site, but this is all Shop Missy's brand. I also want to talk about this sponge. This is the AOA Wonder Blender in nude. It's a little bit dirty because I used it to put my makeup on, but this is like really, really soft, and it does definitely like double in size once you wet it. I like that you get like this edge right here, and it's $1, so it's like, I don't know, it's crazy. I did get another one from them that I didn't really like, but this one is awesome. It's really, really soft, and I love it. It's so nice. I use it all the time. It's really good. Just any old sponge for $1, you probably won't have this kind of quality, and it's really nice. So there's two foundations that AOA Studio has. It's the Pro Wear Full Coverage Foundation, and then the AOA Studio Buildable Satin Foundation. That's what they look like. I recently did a dedicated video on this one. I also have done a video on this one, but I'm wearing this one today. I put a little bit of some like primer oil in it, a couple drops, just to make it a little bit more dewy, and it looks beautiful on the skin. Definitely, if you have drier skin, I would recommend you do it. But this is definitely a matte foundation, so if you have oily skin, it would be a great foundation. But I love this foundation. It's so beautiful on the skin, as you can tell. It definitely has a lot of coverage. I think with this one, beautiful for $1. These are going to be the best foundations you'll ever find for that price. So definitely check these out. I would recommend that you get them. They're so good. Both of them are awesome. That leads me to the concealer. This is the AOA Studio Paw Paw Liquid Concealer. I use this in almost every video. It's so good. I do it to cut out my crease a lot, but it's a very nice, like, hydrating concealer. Next one is the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer. Again, I have that on right now. I really like this primer. The only thing I don't like about it, does have like gold glitter flecks in it. I don't know why, but it's really nice to blur everything out. So nice to just use something that's so inexpensive but does the job. Next one is the AOA Studio Perfect Blush. I'm wearing this right now, and this is the shade Wispy. I love this stuff. I recently just got this. It's super cute, definitely small and travel friendly, and it's just a really nice color. You can see I have it on right now, and this does definitely last. I'm using it every single day, so it's such a good blush. Shop Miss needs to come out with bronzers. That's like the next thing that they need to come out with. This is the Violets Are Blue palette. Again, I did a separate review for this palette. Usually Shop Miss only had like single shadows, which those are awesome as well. But this one is so nice. You can see it. I have it on my eyes right now. Beautiful. I love this color scheme. You get some blues, purples, and then some neutrals. The mattes are super easy to blend and are very pigmented, and the shimmers as well are freaking gorgeous. Next one is the AOA Studio Skinny Under Lash Mascara. I love this stuff. If you've probably seen this type of mascara where it's like a really small brush for the lower lashes. It's really nice to get a brush as small to define those lashes. They do have like a normal regular size one like this that I haven't tried yet, but this is awesome. And if you're looking for a good skinny mascara wand, this one is so good. Next are these lashes. I'm wearing these right now. I love these lashes. If you're a fan of the Ardell like wispy lashes, you will love these. This is what they look like. They're called the Alexa. As you can see, I'm wearing them right now. They're so pretty. Definitely a lot more, not so dramatic, but that's kind of nice for every day. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I love these lashes. They're so good. The band is so thin, so I don't recommend you wear these more than like twice. But they're awesome. They're so pretty and definitely a lot less expensive than Ardell. I've tried other lashes from Shop Miss that I haven't been like super in love with just because the band was a little bit weird, but these are really nice. The band is super small. Next one is this loose highlighter. This is called the AOA Studio Powlighter in Nebula. As you can see on my cheeks, this stuff is blinding. So beautiful. It's definitely really tiny, which I kind of like for traveling and stuff like that. But it's beautiful. You could even put this on your eyes. It's that nice. They have a bunch of different colors. You could either treat this as a highlighter, or you could just use it as like a loose shimmer for your eye, which would be really, really beautiful. But this is awesome. I was so shocked the first time I used that when I did my full face of Shop Miss like a year ago. And it was so good. It's so nice. I love it so much. The last two things I have, this is definitely going to be a short video, but these are brand new. These are called the Artista eyeliner pen. I have it in black and brown. These are amazing. They just came out with them recently. You can see how black they are. Oh, I love wing liner. It's like I do it almost every time I do my makeup, but I do get it in brown and black because I do like to do brown when I don't want something so stark. But these are also a bristle tip. If you like the Kat Von D tattoo liner, this is definitely a dupe for that because it is a same kind of tip as that. It's really nice. It's not a felt tip liner. There you go. You can see the difference between the black and the brown. I love these. Super shocked at how matte it was and how black it was. I really, really, really like it. It's very easy to do a wing with because it is a bristle tip, so it's really nice. And it is brand new, so it's so good. But yeah, guys, that is all for this video. Sorry for the very short video. Let me know if you have some of these products and what you'll like, or if there's any products from Shop Miss that you want to see on my channel, you want me to try out. Definitely leave that down below. If you have an opportunity to pick up any of these products, definitely make a big order or get everything that you want because it does take a while to come in. It's about like 10 to 14 days for it to ship. It always took a long time for Shop Miss orders to come in, but especially right now, everything is taking a lot longer. I really hope you guys have a good week, and I'll see ya in my next video. Bye, guys.